So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to earn up to 10 sweat every single day and make up to $10 every single week. All you need is these two apps, Sweatcoin and Sweat Wallet. It's available on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. By the way, the links will be in the description below for you to earn massively. So opening the app the first time, it will require you to sign up. As you can see, I've already gained up to 36.09 sweats just in 1 week. I've already signed up. Just in a few days, sorry, I signed up. After signing up, you'll be required to put in your details like your username, and you can thereby follow people. And make sure to follow me once you, because the more you follow people on the app, the more your earning speed increases. Make sure to search for my username to follow some people. All you have to do is click on this down place. There is a icon, a contact icon. Click on there, and then all you have to do is search for friends. Click on friends. It says share steps with followers. You search for username. You can share for username. As I've shown you my username, which is Covel, search for me and add me up. It make you eligible to earn more. As you can see, you can also invite your friends through this. So by the way, if you use the link in the description, you will get a bonus for signing up. So on the home screen, after filling in the details, your details, you'll be able to see a lot of things, the steps. Make sure to give it access and permission to everything in your phone device, especially the physical activity. And to check if you have given it access to the physical activity, all you have to do is exit the app, though it will ask you to give you access, ask you to give it access the first time you open the app. But if you want to check if you have given it access, or if it doesn't ask you, go to the app, hover over it, hold on it for a while, for a few minutes or seconds. It's something like this will pop up, and you click on this settings icon. It will open up the settings of the app. Click on permissions and make sure to give it every permission. Make sure there is no permission that is denied, especially this physical activity. That's what makes it eligible to earn more even when you are inactive, when you are offline. As you can see, once I scroll down here, you can see once I try to slide it away, it won't. That's to show you that it is working massively. Then after you must have done this, you have finished everything with the app. By the way, you can also, but they are hosting a giveaway whereby you can participate, which if you use the link in the description, you can participate to win an iPhone 14 Pro Max, an Airbnb, an AirNab, or an Xbox, or $25 Amazon gift card. You can also donate or even shop. Use your Sweatcoin and buying some stuffs in their marketplace, which is here. It's very cheap and affordable. But that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is to show you how you can earn more money with this. So having finished with the app, you have to also go over to your Sweat wallet. Sometimes for setting it up, it will require an activation email. That activation email is a phrase. Once you click on copy the phrase, you can say create a new phrase. I don't want to create a new phrase, but it will require you to copy the activation email. I've already opened mine, so it won't. All you have to do, go over to your email, and the email is see this important Sweat wallet backup phrase. Once you paste it, when you copy it, you paste it in the search button. It will show you the activation email for your wallet. This is the main email. Make sure you don't delete this email, because this email is the only email that can be used to activate your wallet no matter what happens. So having said that, you can stake up to 10 and above to earn more. All you have to do is click on grow, and then you can see some of the plans that you can see. I've already staked 10 and I've already started earning from my stake, and I even have much more to stake, but I will leave it for the purpose of this video. And you can also transfer it to your wallet and sell it if that's what you're talking about, or you paste your address and you're done. But just make sure the address you are sending, make sure to note that the tokens are only sent to near wallet addresses. And if you are wondering what that is, if you go over to Binance, I don't know if it's available there, but I will try. If you head over to Binance and search for Sweat, I don't know if it's available on Binance. I don't think it's available on Binance yet. Okay, let's check KuCoin. KuCoin. But it's available on Trust Wallet, I think so. Yeah, it's available on Trust Wallet. You can transfer it to Trust Wallet. That's to be much more safer. Not actually this wallet. You can transfer it to Trust Wallet. That's straight away. You can transfer it to this wallet, your Trust Wallet. I need to be safe there, but I won't be transferring since I want mine to increase much more. I can transfer it to Ethereum or even near protocol wallets. So much more. You can even transfer it to USDT directly, so you won't have to bother about any form of thing or mistakes. So having said that, it is such easy crypto to gain and to make money. It's such easy way to make money online without having to bother about any form of airdrop or any form of mistake. You can even participate in their giveaway, amount BTC giveaway. You have to grow for you to participate in this giveaway. All you have to do is grow more sweat. The more sweat you grow, the more you become eligible for the giveaway. You can see lots and lots of things. I've gone a little bit further, but this is very impressive, guys. Make sure not to miss this opportunity, as this can make a big boom for you guys. So by the way, if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like and subscribe. Smash that subscribe button because it will mean a lot to me. And also share this video to people who will totally need it. And as you can see here, one sweat is equal to 2,000 steps, and you even do more than that per day. As you can see, heading over to my main wallet, the main app, you can see how many steps you do partake in a day. Total steps converted, you see 105 just in few days. 5,000 steps per day. Just today, 5,000 steps I had, even more than that. And you can also click on increase earnings every day. Make sure to come here. If you want to go for the premium plan, you can click on increase earnings, but I would suggest you just stick to the normal plan to be eligible for this. And you can also once you click on home, you can also invite friends and come here to claim your rewards every single 24 hours. And you can click on open 2x boost to boost your multiply your steps. And the highest limit the highest step you can occupy or get per day is 11,000. And once you click on this, you can able to boost that steps to make you eligible to earn more. So that's it for this video, guys. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment anywhere you feel confused. Thanks for watching.